talk for a minute about a heart-pounding, hip-swaying, completely immersive sound experience with the Vizio Elevate home theater soundbar. Why? Because great picture quality is only part of the experience, an experience that deserves great sound. And no other soundbar on the market delivers the way that the Elevate does. Vizio knows that when it comes to sound experiences, the possibilities are endless. Your living room has to be the perfect movie theater, sporting arena, gaming chair, symphony hall, and dance floor. And that's exactly what the Elevate is designed to do. You see, when you're watching your favorite movie, you should feel like you're part of the story. The sound should be all around you. So, when surround sound is called for, the innovative speakers in the front actually auto-rotate upward and work in sync with the rear up-firing surround speakers to project cinematic Dolby Atmos and DTS:X sound right off of the ceiling. Amazing, I know. Suddenly you're in this immersive dome of sound that follows right along with action on the screen. And to make sure that you actually feel the experience, the soundbar itself is accompanied by a powerful subwoofer designed to deliver thunderous bass right to your living room. It's totally remarkable. Then, after the movie's over, when it's time to listen to your latest playlist, the Elevate will auto-rotate forward, allowing you to take full advantage of 18 high-performance speakers for crisp, distortion-free sound that allows you to hear every word of your favorite song. And thanks to built-in Bluetooth and Chromecast, stream from all of your favorite apps. So seamless. With a click of a button on the backlit remote, you can automatically set the EQ for movies, music, gaming, or whatever you're in the mood for. It's simple, easy, and elegant. And so is the Elevate's gorgeous, super sleek design. So while the tech enthusiast in your house will be thrilled by 107 decibels, 30 hertz of bass, 360 degrees of sound, built-in Chromecast, Dolby Atmos, and DTS:X surround sound processing, a true 5.1.4 experience, all the cables included, and the 18+ awards that the Elevate has won, everyone else will be thrilled simply by turning it on. That's the Vizio Elevate.